The Only Thing Wrong with Science is Scientists by Dan Mason. Science, despite its remarkable achievements, is no stranger to failure. In fact, failure is an integral part of the scientific process. Let's explore why. We will see that invisible failures exist. We often encounter neatly packaged research articles with satisfying conclusions when we read about scientific breakthroughs. However, these reports don't reveal the years of failed experiments that preceded them. Scientists encounter setbacks, unexpected results, and dead ends. Yet these failures are often invisible, overshadowed by the visible successes. Before we begin, if you would like to learn more, you can in my new book, The Only Thing Wrong with Science is Scientists. Book 1 is out now on Kindle, hardcover, and paperback. Despite its importance, failure remains a taboo topic in science. Perhaps our perception that science should provide exact answers contributes to this. However, acknowledging failure is crucial for normalizing the scientific process and fostering resilience among researchers. Get your copy. Interested in delving deeper? The Only Thing Wrong with Science is Scientists is available for purchase on Amazon and other major platforms. Grab your copy to explore more about the fascinating world of science. Failure is still taboo to talk about, even though it's common and important in science. This might be because we have this idea that science is all about precision and finding solutions. Assuming we have done something wrong causes us to fail to see the value in failure itself. Furthermore, because of the publication bias towards positive outcomes and the competitive nature of the research community, there is little motivation to openly address failures. For instance, a medication that failed to show any effects during screening will have a lower chance of publication compared to a trial that reveals new protein interactions. The reporting of these unfavorable findings, however, is critical in preventing future research of a similar kind and informing the structure of drugs to be developed. Scientific imagination. Scientists sometimes fail to foresee ways of testing novel ideas, dismissing them as unverifiable. Acknowledging these failures helps us learn and adapt. Here, please check out one of our 3 covers. Here is our product detail pages. In The Only Thing Wrong with Science is Scientist, Book 1 explores the complex connection between scientism and the idea of evolution, with a particular focus on their interplay. Scientism, frequently condemned for its inflexible commitment to scientific knowledge to the detriment of alternative modes of comprehension, provokes discussions on philosophical, ethical, and spiritual grounds. Figures such as John Stuart Mill, mitochondrial Eve, and Hegel participate in this discussion, exploring subjects that span from scientific atheism to the downfall of the welfare state. The book delves into subjects like scientific integrity, Marxism-Leninism, and ethical arguments for implementing lockdown methods. Yes, in Book 1, we cover COVID-19 and other topics. The narrative explores the intricacies of the American military-industrial complex, MIC, and the global welfare state, interconnecting elements of science, ethics, and sociological frameworks. Upon contemplating the author's examination of truth and knowledge, the reader is prompted to consider the widespread presence of naturalistic perspectives in academic environments, which question traditional beliefs and promote a secular humanist point of view. The book continues by discussing biases in STEM studies, emphasizing the significance of identifying and reducing factors such as selection bias, information bias, and researcher prejudice in scientific and medical investigations. The Only Thing Wrong with Science is Scientist is a stimulating exploration of the connections between science, philosophy, and society, encouraging readers to scrutinize their comprehension of knowledge and truth. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey through The Only Thing Wrong with Science is Scientists. Today, we've explored key scientific concepts and discoveries that challenge our understanding and expand our horizons. As we close, remember that science is a continual process of learning and reevaluation, one that invites us to question, explore, and innovate. Let's carry forward the curiosity and critical thinking we've honed here into our everyday lives and future studies. Remember, every question you ask and every answer you seek contributes to the vast tapestry of human knowledge. For further reading and to dive deeper into the topics discussed today, I encourage you to read The Only Thing Wrong with Science Scientists. It's not just a book, it's a gateway to understanding the complexities and wonders of the universe.